Lenovo IdeaTab Pro. A competent tablet for the price-conscious user, the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro is a functional tablet that doesn't excel in any single area but delivers a well-rounded experience, particularly when purchased at a discounted price. It's a device that prioritizes utility over flash, making it suitable for everyday tasks like media consumption and light productivity. The key takeaway: it's good, but only if the price is right. Performance and hardware. The tablet is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor, which is not the fastest chip available, but provides sufficient power for standard use cases. While it won't handle demanding games smoothly without significant settings adjustments, it outperforms cheaper alternatives like the Amazon Fire HD10 and holds its own against the Google Pixel tablet in some benchmarks, particularly in CPU and graphics tests. However, it lags behind flagship devices equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series chips. Battery life is a strong point, lasting over 12 hours in video playback tests at moderate brightness. The 12.7-inch LCD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate offers a sharp image, 2944 x 1840 resolution, but lacks the anti-glare coating found on some of Lenovo's higher-end models. The brightness peaks at around 411 nits, which is adequate but not exceptional. Design and accessories. The IdeaTab Pro features a plain, utilitarian design with an aluminum chassis. It includes a magnetic attachment point for the stylus, sold separately, and a set of pogo pins for optional keyboard accessories, also sold separately. The stylus itself is functional, but lacks advanced features like haptic feedback and requires separate charging. The lack of included accessories adds to the overall cost, making it less competitive when compared to all-in-one packages. A microSD card slot is a notable advantage, allowing for expandable storage at a lower cost than upgrading to a higher capacity model. JBL speakers on either side of the display provide decent audio quality, though some minor resonances can be noticeable. Pricing and value. Lenovo's pricing strategy is a critical factor in the IdeaTab Pro's value proposition. The base model, 128 GB storage, starts at $389, increasing to $419 for 256 GB. However, the tablet is frequently discounted, with prices sometimes dropping as low as $289. At this lower price point, the IdeaTab Pro becomes a compelling option, offering a solid balance of performance, features, and affordability. Compared to competitors like the Red Magic Astra, priced around $579, the IdeaTab Pro offers a more cost-effective solution for casual users. However, at its full MSRP, it may feel overpriced for what it delivers. Conclusion: the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro is a capable tablet that delivers a satisfactory user experience, especially when found on sale. It doesn't stand out in any particular category, but its reliable performance, expandable storage, and decent battery life make it a worthwhile consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Ultimately, its success hinges on securing a discounted price. Otherwise, more powerful alternatives may be a better investment.